In a surprising turn of events, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has made a discovery that has astronomers around the whole world in awe. A few weeks ago, the telescope discovered the earliest known galaxy in the universe. However, it has now discovered something even larger, a massive black hole dissipating from its galaxy at a breakneck pace of 4 million miles per hour. This latest discovery has very significant implications and has generated much speculation among scientists and space enthusiasts about what it means for our understanding of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope was launched on a mission to explore the first galaxies in the universe and has captured some stunning images of stars passing away and a few 100 million galaxies years after the Big Bang. We invite you to join us to explore the latest discoveries from this telescope. Keep up the good work by liking and subscribing to content like this one. The newest discovery is challenging the science community's current understanding of black holes. Black holes are generally considered to be massive entities that pull everything, including light, toward them. But the recently observed black hole seems to be experiencing the opposite effect. Instead of absorbing light, it is creating new young stars along a long trail. This brand new constellation of stars has been observed in the wake of the black hole, which stretches an incredible 100,000 light-years away. Scientists are puzzled by the unusual behavior of this black hole compared to others, but a Yale astronomy-led group, led by Professor Peter B., recently reported their findings in the astrophysical journal Letters. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope also confirmed these observations, suggesting that the black hole, when it arrives, brings forth new stars and cools gas when it comes in contact with it. We are seeing the wake behind the black hole. But that's not all. NASA has made an exciting announcement about the galactic merger ARP-220, which was captured by the James Webb Space Telescope. This remarkable galaxy merger is visible, shining among the night sky's other galaxies. When the spiral galaxies merge, the phenomenon known as ARP-220 shines brightest in the infrared, making it perfect for observation by the James Webb Space Telescope. It is classified as an ultraluminous infrared galaxy with a luminosity of 1 trillion suns. Compared to our own galaxy, the Milky Way, which has a much lower luminosity of about 10 billion suns, ARP-220 can be found approximately 250 million light-years away in the Serpentis constellation. It is considered the brightest of the 3 closest galactic collisions to Earth and is listed as object number 120 in the Specialty Galaxies Atlas. About 700 million years ago, two spiral galaxies collided in a huge explosion of star formation. This created a dense region about 5,000 light-years across that contains about 200 large star clusters. Surprisingly, this small area contains as much gas as the entire Milky Way. Previous observations with radio telescopes discovered about 100 supernova remnants in less than 500 light-years across. The Hubble Space Telescope then revealed that the parent galaxies are located 1,200 light-years apart, and each core consists of a rotating star formation ring that produces brilliant infrared light. The most recent perspectives from the James Webb Space Telescope show a stunning galaxy merger of the two galaxies. This image also shows faint tidal tails extending from the outskirts of the merger, indicating the gravitational pull between the two galaxies. Lastly, the red, cyan, and orange streams and filaments of dispersed organic matter in ARP-220 are visible. Another stunning finding was a mystery to scientists when researchers found galaxies at the beginning of the universe. They were skeptical about their reliability. Some thought they might be nearby galaxies in disguise. So, they shared the data with other scientists around the world, hoping for the best. The James Webb Space Telescope confirmed that these ancient galaxies are real. Thanks to this revolutionary telescope, we can now observe the oldest galaxies ever seen. Astronomers estimate that light from these galaxies has traveled more than 13.5 billion years to reach Earth, allowing us a glimpse of the universe's past. These galaxies were discovered when the universe was young, which sheds light on how quickly the first generations of galaxies emerged. The spectral data confirmed that these galaxies are located at the outer edge of our view, some even farther away than Hubble could see. The discovery is crucial because it validates one of the most important duties of the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is designed to study the early universe through light that has been traveling over 13.5 billion years. The ability to measure extreme redshifts is what sets the James Webb apart, allowing astronomers to peer into the infrared range and observe the first galaxies in the universe. The excitement in the air is palpable, as this discovery marks an important milestone in the exploration of the universe and in understanding its evolution. The discovery has had a major impact on our understanding of the universe and has prompted NASA to develop even more powerful telescopes than the James Webb Space Telescope to confirm whether our knowledge about the Big Bang is correct. Data obtained from the Webb spectrometer and near-infrared camera have shown that 4 out of the 6 primordial galaxies have extreme redshifts, suggesting that Webb is observing them as they existed 300 to 500 million years after the Big Bang without heavy elements such as carbon. This is surprising since the universe is estimated to be 13.8 billion years old, and the existence of these galaxies suggests that we need to revise our understanding of the early universe. Concerns have been raised in the scientific community as these new discoveries challenge the current cosmological inflation model and the Big Bang theory, which has some loopholes, such as breaking the rules of thermodynamics and not having a clear explanation of what caused the Big Bang. In addition, the James Webb Space Telescope is almost finding galaxies as old as the Big Bang itself, which questions everything we believe to be true concerning the universe's origin. A theoretical physicist, Michio Kaku, claims the discovery of ancient galaxies by the James Webb Space Telescope has called into question everything we knew about the beginning of the universe. In the past, these galaxies were thought to be less developed than the Milky Way. Things suggest that we may be missing crucial information. The fact that the telescope has identified 6 galaxies that existed 500 million years after the Big Bang and are up to 10 times larger than the Milky Way raises the question of whether our current theories about the creation of the universe are correct. Kaku explained that it takes billions of years to create a galaxy like the Milky Way, so it is strange to find such large, young primordial galaxies. This discovery may require us to revise and rewrite the textbooks on the beginning of the universe, as discoveries by the James Webb Space Telescope challenge what we thought we knew about the Big Bang, putting scientists in a bind. Despite this, NASA recently tweeted about a galaxy cluster that lies just 650 million years after the Big Bang, adding another intriguing piece to the puzzle. Astronomers have analyzed the data and concluded that this fledgling cluster is expected to grow in size and become something similar to the colossal Coma A656 cluster. The place where all this is taking place is unique in that it is located in an area of accelerating galactic evolution. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, researchers can now measure the velocities of these 7 galaxies, which gives them the confidence to confirm that they are bound together in a protocluster. To put this in perspective, NASA scientists compared these far-off galaxies to tiny spakes of water in different rivers that will eventually unite to form a substantial, powerful river. Clearly, what we previously believed about the Big Bang is not adding up as expected. However, more data from the Webb telescope may provide evidence that might support or disprove the theory. Who knows? Maybe the Big Bang did happen, but what caused it is a different story. In any case, we will have to wait for more discoveries. However, the answer may be closer than we think. What are your thoughts on these discoveries? Share your thoughts in the comments box, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm so grateful for watching.